Hello there guys, welcome back to Looping Oracle's video. So this video is about the Warship Season 12. So guys, this video is about the tech tree, the important decisions you need to know about the tech tree. Now this Season 12 is very interesting, and the most important thing in Warship is the choose something nice for yourself. Here I have chosen sniper tower. You can definitely go for machine gun because you don't have troop health at this point early, so machine guns are dealing considerate damage. I chose sniper tower. It's my wish. Not my wish though. It's my personal choice, but you can definitely go for the machine gun. Now, first of all, don't max your flares. It's useless. Now, try to unlock heavy as fast as possible. Now, maxing out of mines is another important factor. Then unlock the ER and push for private bullet as fast as possible because that's the hero which will help you. Then max out your boom mines. I wouldn't tell you to follow the upper node over here with warriors, then pick something nice for yourself, then building damage. You should follow the down node, boom mines with gunboat energy, flamethrower, and then the artillery. The artillery, a max level artillery would destroy a level 3 engine room which has 50% booster with 5 artillery shots because a max level artillery deals to be honest 6242 damage as far as I know, and with 5 hits it's gone. So that would be very useful, and then you can go with bullet, shock knuckles, or taunt, or power energy drink, not power potion. It depends on the severity of the base, guys. So let's hop into some attacks. So my aim is to unlock the flamethrower, then after I unlock the artillery, then I would definitely go for the troop health. Now, I did unlock the mortar, extra defensive building, but I think you should unlock build as fast as possible. That's the planning. Then afterwards you can go, I would say, take the cannon because you need to destroy private bullet as fast as possible because you don't have boom cannons at this early. So I would recommend you take the cannon. Then at another decision over here, definitely take the flamethrowers. And this is a very tough decision. To be honest, there are people who are gonna be barring down one of your ERs with 70 with around 3 barrages and 1 artillery hit because we have barrage and we have 100% gunboat energy, guys, which amounts to 104 gunboat energy in total if you have a max level gunboat. So I would suggest that you could definitely go for the sky shield. These two are very strong, but microwavers not so good. So that's the thing you need to go for. Now after unlocking the the fourth you could definitely go you should go for the boom cannon. I wouldn't say the rocket choppers will be that useful though, but I think you should go like this. You should go from upper node from the boom cannon, then go troop health, then picking something nice for yourself, then go for Dr. Kawan, then follow this node down here, get the Zukas and the rocket launchers. Then you can obviously go for the barrage and the shock launcher. Scorcher is not useful that much, but shock launcher you should unlock, and barrage definitely. So guys, this time we have scorchers, and another very sad fact is that boom beach reduced the rewards of the chest. Previously we used to get 3,50,000 from iron tire chest. As you can see, they reduced it, and from golden tire chest we used to get 4 lakh. I don't know why, but I think that's gonna be taking some time. So I hope you got enough information about the tech tree. What are the things you should unlock? The decisive defensive buildings you need to unlock, and the tech tree path. I cannot get to it for the 418, so that's for the 4 years. Yeah, after decision, bombardiers are really nice, and you can definitely go for the shock blaster. It's another very nice thing. And troop damage around here. So that's it. So let's jump into some attacks. Let's attack. Okay guys, so I'm using heavy and rifleman with private bullet shock knuckles. Let's go. Now this is the type of base you need to have shock knuckles. Yeah, definitely shock knuckles. So let's drop. Come on, heavies, go! Riflemen are faster than you. You are gonna die, machine gun. Come on, bullets, speed up. That's the advantage of using shock knuckles. Come on, why the ER out there? Fast, fast, bullet, fast, go fast. Come on, bullet, you can't do this to me. Yeah, definitely. Flare to the engine room. Another shock. The bullet can definitely go. Bullet, go, go. Boom. I don't think so. We did get a win. Wow, I lost all my troops out there. Yes, we did get a win. Shock knuckles are very nice. Wow, but I lost all my troops. Now that is a very nice strategy. Using shock knuckles to shock and then directly fleeing to last ER wow, this is another thing. So this time I'm gonna be using energy drink. So I will go with so I'm using bullet up here on this ER. That's nice, that's nice. Speeding up more, then dropping heavy here. Wow, he did beat it though. Come on, go there, go there. Boom. I think we have lost. I think we did lose the battle. Yeah, 10 seconds faster than me. Wait, what? What did he use? I think definitely Shark Knuckles. Oh, it was a heavy rush though. I think he did use Taunt. The mine placements were very correct. Wow. But he did lose a lot of heavies out there. So I'm thinking of placing some. Oh, come on. Boom mines. Yeah. And mine. That's nice. Let's go. Another battle. Ah, definitely Shock Knuckles. Shock Knuckles. So we are gonna be starting from this side. Yeah, he has more machine guns. Now, bullet, go! That's it. Go, go, go! Yes. Yeah, that's the strategy. That's the strategy. Boom! So that's how you use shock knuckles and smoke those heavies and riflemen. Yeah, we got a victory. That's it. So guys, I'm focusing. So guys, I'm focusing on upgrading bullet though. I don't need that much gunboat energy, but not gonna lock troop health. So should I upgrade my mortars or should I upgrade my troop damage? I think troop damage is really better. Yeah, my now bullet deals a lot of damage. So let's just hop into one more attack. Let's hope it's a victory for us. Yeah, definitely shock knuckles. So we are gonna go like this. Dropping shock knuckles early. Yes, that's it. Yes, another shock knuckle hit. Fast, fast, fast. Boom. I hope it's a victory. I hope it's a victory. Oh, come on. He did 10 minutes faster. Wow. I think it's also another shock knuckle base. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys. Shock knuckles killing it. Yes, guys. That's it. Take it out. Take it out. Yes. We took it out. We took it out. Yeah, opponent has retreated. Yeah. Come on, go for. Yeah, I'll do it. Let's hope that one more attack gives me some faith. ওইদিকে না এইদিকে wow oh this is a very nice base guys, this is a very nice base. So definitely liquid potion, sorry, energy drink, and then come on heavies, go. Come on, I can't get victory, why? Fast my troops, fast. Boom. I hope we get a victory, I hope guys. Wow, that's a Chinese chung. 3 seconds faster. That comes to the end of the video guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Couldn't unlock this one, I'm very sad. So I hope, let's just do one more attack guys. Yeah, I have faith in this attack. Shock knuckles. Eternally. Slowly. Yes! So many buildings got shocked. That's it. Come on, get it, my troops over there. Get it, my troops, get it. Yes. Come on, guys, we have faith, I have faith. Boom, guys, we got a victory. We got a victory. Boom. That's it. Yes. Now let's unlock the flamethrower, guys. That's it. Let's place it down. So guys, if you haven't watched the previous video where I said that I wouldn't put down my I would put down my third engine room, after thinking I did put it, and the result of not putting the second, means not the second, the third year was that I did lose, I did win, so it was a 50-50. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.